Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing one of the best fully automated MT5 Scalper EA. The advisor is designed to use a scalping strategy used to identify the best short-term trade opportunities in volatile currency markets. This EA impresses with its profit even on tiny deposits and has a low maximum drawdown when trading. It does not use dangerous trading methods like martingale, grid, etc., and all transactions are always protected by stop loss and take profit. It can trade with a fixed lot or use an auto lot, automatically increasing the transaction size. It doesn't open more than 2 to 5 trades a week and can go days without trading. Also, this EA doesn't open more than one trade in the market at a time. This EA was backtested with many months of data and successfully passed multiple stress testing every month with an excellent profit drawdown ratio. The maximum drawdown percentage is relatively low for this EA, which allows using this advisor on a small deposit. This is not very fast profiting EA. In the default setting it only makes around 4 to 8% monthly but is very consistent and with allowed drawdown. Let's look trading rules of this EA. Minimum balance of $100. Work best on 5 minutes to 1 hour time frame. Work best on any currency pair. For best performance highly recommend running stable forex robot 24/5. Here I am testing this expert advisor for 5-month period with account balance of $500. So let's find out how he will work. Free download this MT5 Scalper EA. Link given below video description. Please test in a demo account first for at least a week. Also, make yourself familiar and understand how this expert advisor works, then only use it in a real account. Here is the 5-month backtest performance of this MT5 Scalper EA. Winning trade ratio almost 96% and loss trade ratio almost 4%. So this is good result. Well guys, that's enough for today and I hope that this expert advisor will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks but it means a lot to me and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.